Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new here, my name is Fran and I make these videos every week for the Sunnybank Trust. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism, and this week's theme is Make Your Dreams Come True Day. We're going to be making some dream catchers to celebrate. Let's get started. For this activity you will need some string and 5 pipe cleaners, some scissors and 3 feathers. You will also need a paper plate and some tape. It would also be useful if you had a ruler too, but if you don't have one, don't worry, we can do without it. Take out your paper plate and fold it in half. Keep it folded and make a snip in the middle. Continue cutting and cut a circle out of the paper plate. Don't forget to recycle. Make sure your paper plate is facing the back. Place a pipe cleaner over both sides of the hole and stick them down to the plate with some tape. Cut off any excess parts of the pipe cleaners and save for later. Keep adding pipe cleaners to your plate and sticking them on with sellotape. The more overlapping, the better. For this next part, we'll need one of our offcuts of pipe cleaner. If you have any other excess pipe cleaners, you can save these for future projects. Take one of your offcuts and twist it into a little loop. This is so that we can hang up our dream catcher later. Stick your little loop to the top of your dream catcher, right at the top of the paper plate. I would secure this with 2 pieces of tape, just to make sure that it doesn't come off. For this next part, you'll need a ruler, or you can make a rough estimate. Cut 3 pieces of string 15 centimeters long. Place your 3 pieces of string at the bottom of your paper plate, with an even gap apart. Using your tape, stick each piece down. Take out your 3 feathers. Tie each one on using your string. Now everything's together, you can turn it over. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a dream catcher today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos of your dream catchers.